Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your TV, your Amazon Fire TV, is frozen or stuck, and it's a little bit difficult to navigate the different menus. Now, the easiest thing you could possibly do is restart your TV. Now, to do this with your remote is press down the play button in the center here, and then the select button, the center button on your remote. So if I press and hold down both these buttons at the same time, my TV will power off and it will restart. So it says my TV is powering off, and it will automatically restart it. So if it is causing a problem where it's stuck or something like that, try just simply restarting the TV. Otherwise, you could try pressing the power button and see if that works, but if it doesn't work, try restarting it. Otherwise, there is a power button on the bottom of the TV, right where it says Fire TV, the logo. You can press that and it will restart the TV. Otherwise, just unplug it from the wall outlet. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.